Introduction. Conjunctions are essential building blocks of language that help us connect words, phrases, and clauses to create more complex and meaningful sentences. When we are going to write an essay, so we need to use conjunctions to make our sentences long and meaningful. They allow us to combine ideas and express relationships between them. By using conjunctions, we can show contrast, cause, and effect, even alternatives. Understanding conjunctions is key to improve both writing and speaking skills, as they help to clarify thoughts and enhance the flow of communication. Coordinating conjunction. It is a type of conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions are words that connect words, phrases, or clauses that are similar in structure. They help combine ideas and create more complex sentences. The most common coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. You can remember them with the acronyms FANBOYS. F refers to for, A refers to and, N refers to nor, P refers to but, O refers to or, Y refers to yet, and S refers to so. These conjunctions serve different purposes such as showing contrast, adding information, or presenting choices. Now it's time to learn fanboys. First of all, here is for. This conjunction is used to indicate reason or cause. It connects an independent clause with another clause that explains why something is happening. Example: I brought an umbrella, for it looked like it might rain. Here, for explains the reason for bringing the umbrella. Second one is and. This conjunction is used to add information or combine similar ideas. It connects words or phrases that are like or provides additional details. Example: I like reading and I enjoy writing. In this case, and connects two related activities. Third one is nor. This conjunction is used to present an alternative negative idea. It connects two negative clauses, indicating that neither option is true. For example, he does not like tea, nor does he like coffee. Here, nor links two negative statements. Fourth one is but. This conjunction is used to show contrast between two ideas. It connects clauses that present opposing or differing information. Example: I wanted to go for a walk but started raining. In this case, but highlights the contrast between the desire to walk and the reality of rain. Fifth one is or. This conjunction is used to present an alternative or choice between options. It connects clauses or words that offer different possibilities. For example, would you like ice cream or cake? Here, or gives a choice between two desserts. Sixth one is yet. This conjunction is used to introduce a contrasting idea that still follows logically from the previous statement. It often implies a surprising or unexpected outcome. Example: she was tired, yet she continued to work. In this case, yet shows the contrast between being tired and continuing to work. The last one is so. This conjunction is used to indicate a result or effect. It, con- it connects a cause with its outcome. Example, it was getting late, so I decided to go home. Here, so shows the result of it being late. Coordinating conjunctions are now complete. It's time to learn subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are words that connect an independent clause with a dependent clause, creating a relationship between the two. They help to show the connection between ideas, indicating time, cause, contrast, condition, and more. Some common subordinating conjunctions include although, because, since, if, when, while. Subordinating conjunctions and its uses. Because indicate a reason. For example, she was happy because she passed the exam. Here, because telling us why she was happy. Although introduces a contrast. Although it was raining, we went for a walk. Since can indicate time or reason. Since it was late, we decided to stay home. If introduces a condition. If it snows, we will build a snowman. When indicates time. Call me when you arrive. Now it's time to learn the third type, correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are basically the pairs of conjunctions that work together to connect equal elements in a sentence, such as words, phrases, or clauses. They help create balance and emphasize the relationship between the connected pairs. Some common examples of correlative conjunctions include either or. Used to present two alternatives. For example, you can either have pizza or pasta for dinner. Neither nor used to negate two alternatives. For example, neither the red dress nor the blue dress fits me. Third one is both and, used to emphasize the two things are true at the same time. For example, both the teacher and the students are excited about the field trip. Then, not only but also used to add, emphasize, and include additional information. For example, she is not only a talented musician but also a skilled dancer. Then we are talking about conjunctions, so we need to know about it, why they are basically the main purpose why they use. um ये वैसे तो ये conjunctions जो होते हैं यही होते हैं, बट इसका जो मैं आप लोगों को एक significant यूज बताऊं, that is के when you guys are going to write an essay, ठीक है, so then the examiner need the long sentences, long meaningful sentences, ठीक है, that are made by these conjunctions. ठीक है, वो किस तरह से बनते हैं, इन conjunctions को जब हम यूज करते हैं तभी जो है हमारे पास वो जो सेंटेंसेस है वो बनते हैं। जैसे कि नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो का आप लोग देख लो, तो नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो क्या करता है, एक एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन जो हमारे साथ शेयर करता है। तो अगर हमने किसी के बारे में कोई एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन बतानी हो, लाइक दीज आर शॉर्ट फ्रेजेस दैट वी कैन इजीली यूज एंड मेक आवर सेंटेंसेस लॉन्ग इन एसे राइटिंग, ओके। बिकॉज हम ये थोड़ी ना करेंगे जब व्हेन यू गाइस आर गोइंग टू राइट एन एसे लाइक व्हाट इज पॉल्यूशन, अगर पॉल्यूशन के ऊपर बेस्ट फ्रेंड के ऊपर है तो आप लोग कहोगे माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड नेम इज जॉन, ही इज 5 years old। तो ये आप लोग फुल स्टॉप डाल डाल कर लिखोगे, सो इट इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल, लाइक बड़ी क्लास में ऐसे नहीं होता। सो देन वी नीड these phrases, clauses, or these conjunctions. So it is very important to learn it एंड आई होप सो कि आप लोगों के लिए वीडियो मीनिंगफुल रही होगी और आप लोगों को जो है समझ आया होगा. द कंटेंट इज वेरी गुड एंड आई ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन यू वेरी वेल एंड आई डोंट थिंक सो कि आप लोगों को कोई कंफ्यूजन बाकी रही होगी. इफ यू हैव एनी कंफ्यूजन, below this video there is a comment section. You can write and I will answer you. I always answer the comments.